one, find your $1 million idea and stand out from this saturated market. My name is Brittney Brands, your beauty marketing bestie, and I'm an entrepreneur who's helped dozens of Shopify store owners like yourself start and scale their own successful beauty brand on Shopify in 90 days. So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. I am going to show you how to find your $1 million beauty brand idea in this saturated market, stand out from the competition, and launch it on Shopify in just 90 days. So if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification. And if you are a loyal subscriber, welcome back, bestie. Now let's get into this. This is going to be lesson 1, all right? So welcome. In lesson 1, I'm going to teach you how to come up with an idea for your beauty brand, for your e-commerce product, and show you how to research and come up with ideas for new products again and again. It's important first step to get these great ideas out of your head and onto paper. So we can start working through them together. I will be here with you. Again, I am your bestie. So lesson 1 is problem first approach. Think of a few problems you've experienced yourself. 2, which problem do I wish to solve? 3, what's the problem to that problem? 4, what product would help answer this problem? So provided in the documentation below is an action items. I want you to fill out the idea storming exercise to come up with the areas and topics you're passionate about. And then choose 3 ideas from the previous exercise and think of the 5 biggest problems in your area. And then I want you to brainstorm product solutions to each problem. When coming up with a product, this is an idea is always the answer to a question or the solution to your problem. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. So use your idea to create value for the customer, all right? So thank you again. This was lesson 1 and we'll be beginning lesson 2.
But don't you try to call me